When it comes to drunk driving prevention, there's some common misconceptions about the technology that's available to do it. Today we're going to talk about SOBRDRIVE, and I'm going to end some of that speculation. SOBRDRIVE is 100% voluntary, which means it's 100% user activation. If it's not activated, you don't have to test to start your vehicle. SOBRDRIVE consists of two components, a Bluetooth breathalyzer and a mobile app for iOS or Android. Now we're going to show you how they work by getting in the car and showing you how easy it is to activate and to take a BAC test. When you know you're going to be drinking, that's when you activate SOBRDRIVE. To do that, you just open up the app, you hit Activate SOBRDRIVE, and then you will choose a BAC between 0.01 and 0.05. I'm going to put it at 0.03. Now, as you can see, I can still start my vehicle because I have not activated SOBRDRIVE. So now I'm going to turn it back off. Now, once I press the activate button, that disables my ability to start my vehicle until I take a BAC test using the Bluetooth breathalyzer. Now, when I finish at the club, the game, wherever I'm at, and I've been consuming alcohol, when I'm ready to start my vehicle, I just hit unlock vehicle. I turn on my breathalyzer. It's connected. It's going to do a countdown from 4 seconds. It takes about 4 seconds. The results are almost instant. Activate engine because I haven't had anything to drink. So what I'm going to do is hit the activate engine button, and then I'm going to start my vehicle. It's that simple. That's the SOBRDRIVE difference. And that is the SOBRDRIVE difference. It's being treated like you have a DUI or given a tool to prevent you from getting a DUI. And that's why SOBRDRIVE is making a huge impact in the way users are keeping themselves responsible and accountable when behind the wheel.